This is Storm Team 8.
Good morning, West Michigan. So we have that fog out there today. We're going to have it again tomorrow. Today, just like yesterday, is going to stay dry for the most part, but we could see a little bit of that patchy drizzle, so don't be surprised if you see that on your windshield. For the most part, a lot of this fog is stretching up from the ground all the way up to the clouds, so it's not condensed at the surface. What that means is a little bit of reduced conditions for driving, but in general, it should be something that you guys can handle outside. Here's a look at temperatures. Technically in the mid-30s, but when the wind blows, which it's been doing, it feels more like the 20s. So yes, we're warm out there, but still need a jacket. And as we go on throughout the afternoon, when our highs hit about 42 degrees, the wind chill will make it feel more like the upper 30s. So the effect is still going to be warmer, but it's not going to be sunshine and rainbows. It's going to be kind of a cold warm, if that makes sense. All right, so here's what to expect. Cloudy, some light fog, and again, just a little bit of drizzle today and tomorrow. We're not tracking rain until we get to Sunday night and then Monday. Monday night into Tuesday is when it's looking like it's going to be heaviest. So this is going to be an extended period here of a lot of cloud cover and not a lot of sunshine. Very gray, very gloomy. Storm Track Live wanted to zoom it well out so that you could see the different layers of clouds here. All the bright white are high clouds, and then all this dark that you see encompassing the entire state, that's low clouds. That's holding on to its grip across Michigan. So it's going to be hanging on not only today again, but tomorrow and then on through Monday and Tuesday. Monday and Tuesday, we're actually going to be getting a storm system out from the west to sweep on in. That's what's actually going to be bringing the rain with it. And as we go on throughout the morning, I'll show you that system in detail. But I wanted to focus right now on the warmth, because a lot of times we think if there's no sunshine, how can we get warm? And here's why. We have a high pressure system that's just to the south, and because of that, that's wrapping up all this warm air. You can actually start to see the effect as it pulls this little ridge of warm air up through Oklahoma, Nebraska, and eventually over towards us. Yesterday, the warm air wasn't this far to the north, so we've already started to see that effect happen, and it's going to continue to build as we get to Sunday and Monday. That storm system that we'll be talking about throughout the morning will also help to bring in that warmth Monday. Tuesday will start warm, and then our temperatures will drop. So much so by Tuesday evening, we'll probably start to see a few snowflakes mixing in, and then we're going to stay in the 30s for Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. But still, we've got 30s, 40s, and 50s this week of December. Not really feeling very cold or very Michigan-like. We've been waiting for that pattern to flip back to the cold. It still looks like it's going to happen. And it looks like there's a small chance we could see a few systems right before Christmas to bring us snow. But as we get closer and closer to Christmas, the idea of a white Christmas is kind of starting to come into jeopardy here.
Yeah, I mean, if it's anything like it is right now.
Yeah, then no hope, right? Yeah, we're going to have to watch closely. We might get at least a dusting, if not just a little bit more before. So we're watching that in the long term.
Very good. Well, let's take